Isab, isab.
Ayan.
Sir, what's your feelings, sir? Sige, pa na kaysa kitang likod. Ayusin mo.
Nice, oh. Step, oh. Sige, yan. Klaro. Kita mo, yung nakikita ko? Stripe. White with red. Nagka-vertical yung ano.
But can you hold the rest of the pencil?
Yun lang, sir. Yeah, it's okay.
Mana man yung check eh. Dito kita
Nabi din, pasinti ka. Ana.
Ay, ito ko pasinti. May blood ka.
This is the pattern, sir.
Alam mo yun. Can you hold this?
Flip forward, sir.
Over naman yun, ayaw ko kayo.
Sir, the practice the position
Makinis yung mata.
parallel to you, sir. And 6 inches away from your feet. 2 inches forward, sir.
Nice.
Naputol yung katawan nyo, isa nyo. With using the 2.8 position, sir.
How?
Just move forward the 2 crunches, sir. Then move forward. Okay, again, sir.
Okay, beautiful.
Okay. Cut. Bali.
Good girl.